Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Uh,
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Let me introduce ourselves. We are from Group 3. Today, we will discuss the topic about forms of communication. Before we begin, let me introduce myself. My name is Gina Roda Fujana, and I will be the moderator in this discussion. I would also like to introduce my friends, Hawa and Dia. All right, let's start. The first presenter will be Dia. I give the time to Dia.
Thanks, moderator. Introduction. Communication is a crucial process in human life, enabling the exchange of information, ideal, and feeling in variety of situation. Every individual is constantly engaged in communication, whether consciously or unconsciously, or as it is through communication that human can build social.
Please slide Dia.
Social relationship, confirming and understand others in practice. Communication takes freedom from influenced by the situation and the parts involved, resulting in varying ways of conveying and interpreting messages. Therefore, understanding this various form of communication is crucial for effective interaction and successful achievement of communication goals. Next, from forms of communication. Interpersonal communication. Interpersonal communication, also known as
Next
interpersonal
slide, Dia.
communication, is communication that occurs internally within an individual. Thus, interpersonal communication can be defined as communication between a person and themselves to better understand the concept of interpersonal communication. Communication must be understood as a complex activity, not merely external, observable with the next age. Communication also occurs within the individual, particularly when a person prefers speaks his message to be communicated. Become object of themselves through the use of symbols in communication. The communication process begins with fit form communication. When weeks involves exploring the situation and characteristics of the interlocutors. followed by machine development of encoding. Encoding is the process by which the communication prefers a machine and against in a dialogue with themselves. The recipient then decodes the machines to reflect in on and evaluated the machines. Berlin explains that impersonal communication is the translation of symbols with an individual and is always present in Oth's communication text. Such as interpersonal group of mass communication. Next, characteristic of internal communication occurs with oneself. This communication takes place within an individual's mean without directly involving other people. Next, internal and inner. The process takes the form of a inner dialogue, course of thing, completing or talking to oneself. Uses symbols of personal language. A personal as word, image, of or symbol that are understood by themselves. Involves thought process and feeling. Not only logis, but also emotion, such as joy, anger, but a dot of or verb or involved. Aims to understand oneself. Decision making, self-evaluation, and self-confirmation. Invisible directly, because it occurs within and the mean. This communication cannot be discreetly observed by other. Continues. Interpersonal communication occurs all the time as long as the individual is concluding and thinking. That's from me. It's to your moderator.
Okay, thank you, Dia. Next, I will continue explain the material. Okay, next material number two, interpersonal communication. Interpersonal communication is communication between two people, typically occurs face to face in the same place. However, some people also consider it possible to communication remotely, such as over the telephone, as long as there are only two participants. Based on the perspective of communication expert David Todd, 1997 defines interpersonal communication from three perspectives. First, based on component, namely the sending of a message by one person and its reception by another with immediate impact and feedback. Second, based on dyadic relationship where communication occurs between two people with a clear relationship such as a seller and buyer or a mother and child. Third, based on development, interpersonal communication is seen as a process from impersonal communication to more personal or intimate communication. Next. Next slide. Barlow 1968 described five characteristics of interpersonal communication. First, there is a consensus of views between two or more people. This is necessary for effective communication. Second, this agreement leads to an interaction that can be interrupted. In the interaction, each participant sends and receives signals. This communication, usually face-to-face, and involves all five senses. Reldon Lilifery 1997 added six characteristics and encouragement from various factors, international and international impact, reciprocity, interpersonal relationship of at least two people, free atmosphere, and the use of meaningful symbols. Next. Characteristic of interpersonal communication involves two or more people, occurs directly face-to-face or through media. There is a process of giving and receiving messages is reciprocal two-way, involve emotion and relationship between individuals, which is verbal and non-verbal. Language aims to build relationship or mutual understanding. Next. Number 3, group communication. When discussing group communication, we often understand the term to mean communication within a group. This definition is correct according to Alvin Goldberg and Carl Larson 1858. Group communication is the study of individual interaction within small groups. Anong Ujjana Effendi 2375 defines it as communication between a communicator and more than two other people. Marheni Fajar 2065 defines group communication as the interaction of a group of people who share a common goal and feel part of a group. Next. Next slide. Next. Next dia.
Maaf moderator, ini slide saya yang baca nanti.
Yang sebelumnya moderator. From several definitions of group communication, several criteria have been identified that can categorize a communication event as group communication. These criteria include a minimum of 3 people. The message content is related to the group. The message is more structured toward the interpersonal communication. The relationship between members has an emotional bond, and the purpose of communication is to reach a group agreement. Group communication is divided into two types, small groups and large groups. Small group communication is interactive and serious with focus on cognition. Meanwhile, large group communication is linear and focuses on affection, often seen in political campaigns and other mass forms. That is all the material from me. Next, the material will be continued by Hawa. I give the time to Hawa.
Thank you, moderator, for the opportunity. Here I will explain the material about the characteristic of group communication. Sebelumnya, slide sebelumnya. Characteristic of group communication involves more than 2 people in one group has a common goal or interest. Interaction occur between group members is two-way or more multidirectional. There is a structure or role within the group, e.g. leader and member, with group role or norm, as for discussion, problem solving, or decision making. Next. Next is about mass communication. Mass communication is other associated with mass media. Several communication scholars define mass communication. Prof. Onong Usjana Effendi explained that mass communication includes newspaper, radio broadcast, televisi, and film. Lewis and Turnet also state that mass communication engage large audience through mass media and communication technologies such as internet and email. The definition of mass communication is other associated with mass media. The basic concept of mass communication involve many people in separate locations. To meet this criteria, mass media must be used as communication channel. Therefore, mass communication is synonymous with mass media. Next. Some scholars have differed into the understanding of mass communication, such as DeVito 1997, who identified 5 important These variables include the source, the communication that spend large sum of money to send the message, the audience, a very large number, the message can be accessed by anyone, the process when and two-way, and the context in social context. Next. Several experts has outlined the criteria for mass communication. Prof. Onong Usjana Effendi lists 4 points: general and often heterogeneous communication, simultaneity, and non-personal relationship. Satrisnes Dewi at 7 characteristics of mass communication. Often messages they spur on audience mechanical challenge when communication, rapid dissemination has gone and the function of disseminating information. Recalls and for characteristic for an animation audition, simultaneous and temporization and communication from complex organisms. Mass communication emerged letting having a significant impact on social life, limiting interpersonal relationship and creating an homogeneous culture. Over time, mass communication has become more functional and pragmatic. Mass media can now be utilized for various interests, not just specific group. Developing of social interests reckon the media to fairly and proportionality, influencing its direction, orientation, and function. Next. Another view, mass media or complex organization that pursue communication tools such as newspaper, magazines, television set on, and radio set on. Other institutional associated with mass media include news agencies, tickets, advertising agencies, public relations department, public relations firm, and research institutional, then term press now encompass use press, magazine, radio, and television, and well as supporting agencies that gather information. The definition of press has always yes oftentimes the term can refer to print media or to the scope of capacity that includes international, national, regional, and local press. Next. Next is about characteristic of mass communication. That communicator is essentially a mass media integration. The relationship between the communicator and the audience is not personal. Use mass media. The medium can be used by many people. The communication are the mass which are heterogeneous. That's all from me. I return the session the moderator.
Thank you, Awa. After that, the conclusion will be delivered by Dia. I give the time to Dia.
Thanks, moderator. Conclusion. From the discussion present, it can be called that communication has first form depending of the number of actors, goals, and process involved. Interpersonal communication occurs within of individual as a process of thinking and self-understanding. Interpersonal communication occurs between two people with reciprocal interactions. While group communication involves more than two people with a shared goal and more structured interaction. Meanwhile, mass communication against a with audience characteristic may be rapid and general message dissemination by understanding the difference between dense form of communication. We can adapt our communication methods more effectively to suit the situation in mind. Return to moderator.
Okay, thank you, Dia. I think that is from our group. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.